What's up, everybody? So today I am bringing you guys a makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial is being done by my classmates Maggie and Morgan. I'm just doing the voiceover. So right now she's taking the Maybelline Master Concealer and she's applying this all over her lids. Now she's going to take a beauty blender to blend out that concealer to create a smooth base. Now she's going to take this black eyeshadow from a Morphe palette and she's going to apply this all over the base of the lid. Now she's using concealer to outline her lid and she's going to outline it in like a cat eye shape. Now she's going to trace that concealer with a pink eyeshadow. She's using the pink eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. Now she's going in with the NYX white liquid eyeliner and she's going to outline on top of that pink. Now she's going to go back in with that pink color we used from the Morphe palette and she's going to go over the white eyeliner. Now let's get into this face. She's taking the e.l.f. primer. I believe it was the poreless primer that she's using. And she's also going in right now with her foundation. Now she's going to take some concealer and put that under her eyes, also on her nose, on her forehead, on her chin, on her cheeks, and I believe that's it. Now she's going to go in with the Crown palette and contour her face. Now she's going to set that concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and just apply that all over her face. Now she's going to take two colors, I believe it's Cosmic and Supernova, and mix those two together and put those in her inner corners. Highlight time. So she's going to be going in mixing two colors and putting it on her cheekbones, brow bones, nose, everywhere you put a highlight. Off camera, Morgan went ahead and did her lip and applied her lashes, and this is the final result of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at SlayLikeJRed.